guys, we're fishing in Lake Elsinore. As you can see, nice, beautiful sunny weather, over 100 degrees. It's about Sunday right now. Not that packed right now, but it's nice, good weather. You're here with the family. All right, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tip on how to catch carp. What you guys want to use a bait catcher that you can catch the bait right here. See this? You want to smash the bait real good. If you guys want to see how to make the bait that I use, check out my last video. And what you guys want to use too is you guys want to put corn in the bottom, because this melts in the water and it attracts the fish, and it has a bite right here. Right now, when I catch a fish, I want to record it so that way you guys can see. But I'm using this right now. The bait that I use, you can check out my YouTube. It's right here. See that, guys? Nice, perfect texture. And the brand new corn. You can use any type of corn you guys want. Whole kettle. You could use sweet, normal. But this is how it looks, guys. You can buy this at Amazon for like $5, $4. But that's what I'm using right now. Alright, guys? Alright, what's up, guys? So, what you guys want to do? See that? You want to add about 3 corns to each hook, so that way when the carp bites, for sure you to catch fish. And then this is the bait right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to put the bait real quick. See this? So what I like to do is put my thumb in there, and then you want to wrap this around. See that, guys? Sorry for the wind. It's really windy right now. See that? I'm trying this wind up right now. Alright, guys. So you wanna see that? You wanna smash it real good. And then at the corner right there, what you wanna use for the line, you wanna use about 15-pound line set, so that way when you cast it, the line won't rip at all. So that's it, guys. You see that? Nice and simple. If you guys want to check out my bait, how I made it, go ahead and check out my previous video. I promise, guys, you guys won't regret it at all. Catch fish non-stop. I already caught about 20 fish in about 30-40 minutes. Where was that? Face the camera, face it on this, the fish. Alright, guys, you got the carp.